Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't activate hotspot on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you are not able to activate your hotspots, let's see how can you fix it. For this you just have to put your phone on airplane mode briefly for 10 or 15 seconds. So wait and then disable your airplane mode and then go to settings, go for hotspot and check. But if your hotspot is not working, you just have to make a force restart to your phone. So let's see how can we do this. For this, you just have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. So let's show this. First volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until your screen goes fully black and the Apple logo won't show. So you just have to wait for this. As you can see, the screen has been blacked. Now wait for Apple logo and it's appeared. Now you just have to put your phone and wait for power it on. Just wait for it. So as you can see, the phone has been powered on. Now you just have to unlock your phone, enter your passcode, and here you have to check that if the problem has been solved. But if it doesn't, you just have to make a last and final step, which is go for settings, go for general, and then scroll down and look for transfer or reset iPhone, select, and here select reset, and here you will get all of your reset settings. You just have to select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode to completely reset your network setting. It include your Bluetooth, cellular data, and Wi-Fi settings also. But after that, your phone will be reset your network setting, and you will be able to use your hotspot. So that's how you can easily fix can't activate hotspot on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.